Cancer. Archangel Michael is sending a strong signal to you now. The energy surrounding you is about protection, guidance, and clarity. What may have felt uncertain, confusing, or delayed is now aligning in a way that supports your growth and progress. You may notice signs, synchronicities, or moments of clarity appearing at just the right time. This is a reminder that you are supported and that Archangel Michael is helping you navigate challenges with courage and clear insight. This reading highlights empowerment, alignment, and practical shifts. Momentum is forming behind the scenes, preparing circumstances to move in your favor. Projects, relationships, or personal efforts you've been focusing on are now being recognized and supported. If you want this energy applied specifically to love, career, or finances, sessions start at $9, and a $99 monthly membership gives unlimited access to deeper readings and follow-ups. The first card is the Emperor. Structure, authority, and leadership energy are arriving. This is a time to step into responsibility and make decisions with confidence. Archangel Michael is helping you act decisively in situations that require strategy, control, and focus. Situations that previously felt unstable or overwhelming begin to stabilize. By taking clear, structured action, you can create order and progress effectively. The Emperor signals long-term planning. Every step you take now with discipline and foresight lays the groundwork for lasting stability and success. Your energy naturally draws respect and cooperation. By stepping into your authority with integrity, you inspire others to align with your vision, making your efforts more effective and supported. The second card is Judgment. A moment of awakening and clarity is coming. You may receive insights, opportunities, or realizations that shift your perspective. Archangel Michael encourages you to release what no longer serves your highest good. Old patterns, doubts, or past mistakes are resolving. This card signals alignment with your higher purpose and opens doors for growth and momentum. Reflection is key here. Consider what aligns with your growth and what no longer belongs in your life. This energy encourages self-awareness and intentional action. Judgment represents rebirth and renewed momentum. You are stepping into a phase where opportunities, recognition, and clarity converge to support your progress. The third card is Ace of Pentacles. A practical opportunity is emerging. This may relate to work, finances, or personal projects. While it may feel small initially, it carries strong potential for long-term growth and stability. The Ace of Pentacles rewards focus, effort, and consistent action. Deliberate steps now create a solid foundation for lasting results. Timing is favorable. Archangel Michael guides you to recognize and seize this opportunity with clarity and confidence. This card highlights the tangible benefits of your efforts. Every step you take now contributes to momentum and practical results that support your overall goals. The fourth card is Strength. Inner courage, resilience, and patience are emphasized. Archangel Michael strengthens your energy, helping you face challenges calmly and with confidence. This is mastery over self. Even when doubts or external pressures arise, your composure and focus allow you to navigate situations effectively. Strength emphasizes gentle influence. Strategic, compassionate action creates results that force or aggression cannot achieve. Your steady energy attracts opportunity. Remaining grounded and balanced aligns people, circumstances, and events in your favor. The fifth card is King of Wands. Your personal power and leadership energy are rising strongly. You naturally command attention and influence without needing to assert control. Archangel Michael supports your ability to lead with vision, clarity, and courage, helping you make decisions that shape your path effectively. Decisive action becomes easier now. Where hesitation or uncertainty may have slowed progress, you act with confidence. Every choice you make carries weight and creates momentum that aligns with your goals, attracting opportunities and the right people. This card emphasizes vision and strategy. You can assess situations holistically, prioritize effectively, and implement actions that produce tangible, practical results. Your presence alone stabilizes energy and guides circumstances. Momentum continues to build. The influence and initiative you exercise now set in motion a ripple effect that draws support, cooperation, and tangible progress toward your long-term ambitions. The sixth card is Two of Cups. Partnership and connection energy appears. This may manifest as a romantic relationship, collaboration, or a meaningful friendship. Mutual respect, understanding, and shared intention create harmony that enhances your progress and stability. If tension, miscommunication, or delays have existed, these begin to resolve. Conversations flow more easily, intentions are understood, and relationships strengthen naturally, creating a supportive environment. For singles or those seeking collaboration, someone may enter your life whose energy aligns deeply with yours. This connection supports growth, balance, and purpose in your journey. The energy of this card amplifies momentum. Supportive relationships now strengthen your ability to act decisively, make clear choices, and navigate opportunities confidently with Archangel Michael's guidance. The seventh card is Ten of Pentacles. Long-term stability, security, and abundance begin to manifest. Projects, finances, or personal efforts that felt uncertain now solidify into tangible, lasting outcomes. Foundations you have carefully built are being recognized and rewarded. This card also signals planning, foresight, and legacy. Discussions or developments regarding shared resources, family, or investments may appear. The focus is on outcomes that endure, creating lasting security and comfort. In relationships or collaborations, Ten of Pentacles reflects trust, commitment, and shared vision. The energy you invest now produces tangible, lasting benefits for both you and those connected to you. Patience, responsibility, and consistent effort are paying off. This stability strengthens your overall momentum and ensures a secure platform for continued growth and opportunity. The eighth card is the Sun. Clarity, joy, and empowerment fully enter your life. Confusion, delays, or obstacles lift, and your path forward is illuminated. You are now able to act decisively, confidently, and with a sense of purpose. Optimism, vitality, and self-assurance are strong. Challenges that once seemed overwhelming now appear manageable, and solutions are practical and visible. Positive outcomes converge, recognition, stability, supportive connections, and opportunities all align. Momentum in your favor reaches its peak, and tangible benefits are now visible in your life. Affirmation for you: I step fully into my power and clarity. I embrace opportunity, stability, and alignment. I trust Archangel Michael's guidance and move forward with courage and purpose.